talk about training development from a global perspective. So the overall general learning objectives would be to understand training and development, the meaning for multinational corporations, so in the international context. Then also some general basics about training and long-term development of personnel. Again, I think here the link also to the global aspects of it. And then third, also to understand more specific the factors when training and developing a global workforce, particularly developing a global talent pool. And then in terms of agenda, we'll start with a general introduction, then look into more basic concepts and principles of training and development, again with reference to global aspects, and then specifically looking at the special issues when developing a global talent pool, distinguishing the global leadership as well as more specifically on expatriates. Okay, so basic introduction question would be, what is training and development? Yeah, probably you know that, what it is. Here's some definition, also put it into context and comparison. Training and development, what's same, what's different, and why training and development is so important. Okay, and then I would like to conclude for today. I think the point that I try to convey is training and development is very important, and they're also very important for multinational corporations to achieve strategy alignment and also ultimately long-term sustainable performance. And there are many different approaches how to achieve that, and we also discussed many of these things that needs to be considered. Okay, with that I would like to close.